Do you think CBC is leading us towards that path of tapping in talent?
I think so, and it is a step in the right direction. But I think also the most important thing is identifying the talent of young people. What are they good in? You see, one of the reasons why a lot of people didn't even get an opportunity to really know what they are good in is that our education system was sort of programmed to focus on passing exams. And this has been said repeatedly by many leaders. And let me just emphasize. So there was no strategy on, our teachers do not even have the training. The ECD teachers, for example, may not even have the training to be able to understand this child. You know? So today you may think because the child is a girl, you say, let them do tailoring. Maybe that child has a talent or an ability to be an engineer. They want to take a spanner. So I think the training also has to go to teachers. There has to be a lot of training on the teachers to be able to spend time with the young kids and really understand at a very young age, what is this person good at? You know, and you have to let children be. You have to let children be. Don't condition them. You come and say today, okay, you know, the program must be very broad to be able to give a child every opportunity to sort of, for lack of a better explanation, to put their hand in the dark and eventually they pick out something that will say, okay, this child is good in this, and from there you develop them on the particular skill that you have identified as a strength that they have. You know, so I think it will come in handy, but there's a lot of training that needs to be done on the teachers, you know, so that they are able to let this come out and we get the good results of it, you know. You know, and it's a pity because even myself, I think if I had known earlier that I am potentially a good salesman, I would not have wasted time trying to do a lot of things that I tried to do. You know, I would have, from a very early time of my life, just pursued sales and marketing, and I would have saved a lot of time. So I think for young people to be able to develop their mindset on creativity and being able to think outside the box and actually provide solutions to problems. You know, that is, you're just trying to train the mind to critically think, you know, so that they are not reliant on other people to make decisions for themselves, and they can think on their feet and be able to say, okay, so if you know, it's just a 3D thinking that would be enhanced by that kind of curriculum.